everybody. Happy Monday, happy December. Hopefully you had a huge November, a lot of fun in there, Thanksgiving and everything, and I've talked to a lot of our clients. They had a massive November, which is great. And now here you are in December. You're looking at how the month closed, and I want to remind you that on January 21st and 22nd, just a few days before NADA, here on the beautiful central coast of California, we're going to be hosting the Slow Down Your Burn Rate event. This event is specifically to help you eliminate wasted dollars in paid search marketing. Some of you have $5, $15, $20, $60,000 and more in some cases wasted paid search spend. We're going to prove to you, you're going to see it on your own through our lab, that you can actually eliminate that spend and be more competitive and more profitable in your market space. Oh, great news, no vendors. There's nobody here to sell you anything. It's just empowering you to really see the truth in what's happening with your paid search dollars. Looking forward to see you there. It's going to be small. Think like 20 groupish type size, right? It's going to be a lot of fun. Learn more on the link here or there, wherever they're posted. Looking forward to see you. Have a spectacular December.